Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, it's just a basic intro to tell you what my channel is about and what I do. As you may have noticed, I live in a small caravan. I did build a camper van in order to go around Europe and kind of got stuck in the UK because of COVID, and now I've ended up living full-time in a caravan. I love it. So what my channel is about is cooking for people who basically aren't very adept at cooking and don't have many appliances. So small kitchen, small fridge, small amount of appliances. I just have one hob, which I'll show you through everything I have in a minute. One hob, one halogen oven, which is fantastic, dirt cheap, really good. I mean, you can even cook overcook chicken in a halogen oven and it'll still come out moist. So I give you lots of tips for recipes that are useful in a small kitchen, different hints on appliances that are really effective and really good, and recipes that can last for a week. Like, for example, 2 days of rice, 2 days of potatoes, 2 days of pasta, and 1 day of just salad. But then mixing the meats in between that so that you don't come up with any wastage and you maximize your healthy diet. Anyway, I've rambled on enough. This is my channel. Here's a quick introduction to my kitchen, and please subscribe because I would like to make this full time if I can. Thanks, and stick around. Okay, so in short, this is the kitchen. This is kind of my veggie area. Obviously, being in a caravan, the space is very limited. I got this whopping great big chopping board because it just makes videos easier. Set up some lights, some camera holders, one for the frying pan. As you can see, it's an induction hob. I have one toaster. I have a brand new frying pan that is just awesome. And there's the halogen oven. The fridge. Let me see how we're doing in there. You can see there's not a lot of space. So you really have to learn how to utilize what food you buy and how to make it last a week or 2 weeks. Here's my view today out of the first window. Isn't that lovely? It's sort of semi-snowing today. And that's my view every day out of the other window.